digestion also normal. If I stop, then again the same problem started.
This was in December.
Yeah.
This was in 2018. No?
Which one?
No, 21 January. Sorry.
Actually, from September I'm doing all those started. So till now,
Any family history of liver disease
no.
from your mother's side or father's side, your siblings?
No. But
No.
yes, heart attack they have some family, but it's not any liver disease.
Anybody in the family has colonic disease like diarrhea, chronic with ulcerative, nothing colitis?
But diarrhea, I think it is
Diarrhea,
something.
sometimes if you eat
That's okay.
outside food, that
I
is
mean,
different.
branded
Normal.
like
no.
any ulcerative disease.
No.
Not your side, her side.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
her side only. No.
Now, doctor, one problem is there. If I eat outside food little bit also, so I cannot digest that one. Stomach pain and all started.
We normally avoid.
But sometime if I eat something also, then start pain.
This is the blood report, no? This is
Yes.
January 1st. This is reports from here, no?
This is Hamadia. This one on
The
Astra.
ultrasound from Astra. This one.
This is Astra.
This is, high enzymes were still higher than.
Yeah, this is the first test when we did in
Astra.
Astra 2020. I think it was in November or October.
This is in India. In India, then they refer me.
A typical GRD.
But this is not effective at all.
Right.
One thing we observed, I don't know if it is after the start sheet, because recently she also did one blood test. So blood test, in that I think the enzymes.
All the tests are recent only. No old tests are
No,
No,
this is
old
all
test.
recent test.
No.
This one also I did it in I think August or September.
No, she did a blood test on 23rd. This.
ওটা সিস্টেমে আছে উনি জিজ্ঞেস করছে ওল্ড আছে
We can say everything, whatever.
Yeah. No, I'm saying the 23rd, the enzymes came little bit down, I don't know if it is because of the medicine or what.
This was in August.
Yeah.
You had any symptoms in August, ma'am? Itching and all?
No, anal canal pain, abdominal pain, abdominal pain.
Here.
Here gas, when gas is happening on that time I have pain, but normally no.
Normally no.
No, this side pain, sometimes I have this side.
She had anal canal pain in that time,
Yeah.
but no itching that time.
Yeah, there is no problem in the anal canal. Maybe that time incidentally it was troubling you then.
Yeah, 2 times it's happened.
Yes.
One time is in
Because this is
September.
colonoscopy, that area and inside the colon is normal.
Okay, yes.
Endoscopy is also fine. The problem is in the bile duct. I'll just show you the MRI pictures here. You can come and see this. Both can come and. So this is called the reconstructed picture, okay, normally. See, this is liver, okay?
Yeah.
This is the pancreas.
Mm.
These are the bile ducts.
Mm.
This is the gallbladder.
Mm.
So you had stone here and they did an endoscopy, they opened and cleared the stone. That's
Mm.
according to, when was that? How many years back?
2006.
6, okay. So this bile duct divide into right and left duct. This is right side, this is left side, okay? So what is the function is like, I'll show you the structure of liver. Okay, see, this is inside the liver. So it divides for different branches, the right side, left side and all. So terminally divides into small ductules. Like the small, it divides into small branch inside. See, this goes like this. This is the bile duct, what you're seeing. Once it goes, the terminal small branch, no? So this is the small branch at the end, okay? These are the liver cells
Yeah, okay.
inside the liver.
Okay.
So the liver secretes what is called bile. The black, these dots, no? These are all the canal ductules like this. They
Okay.
join here to a bigger duct.
Okay.
So basically, this is the secretion from the liver
Mm.
called the bile.
Okay.
So this comes here and joins and then flows into the intestine.
Okay.
Okay? The function of this bile is helps in the digestion of our food.
Yes.
That's why this is yellow in color. And our stool is yellow in color because of bile. Okay? So what's happening in you is called, you can check, this is the picture. This is called reconstructed picture, MRI. I'll show you this full 3D picture. This is gallbladder, okay? This is the lower part of bile duct. Okay?
Okay.
So this is called cystic duct and this is gallbladder. This is called the common hepatic duct. Means this is right hepatic duct. This is left hepatic duct. The joining is called the common hepatic duct.
Okay.
This is called the common bile duct. So you can see this part is narrowed, not seen clearly. And you can see this part is not seen clearly.
It's also narrow.
So similar picture is happening here,
Correct.
here, 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 here.
Yes.
So this is not like one area of narrowing. This is multiple areas of narrowing. Cystic duct here, this is one of the duct also.
Yeah.
Okay.
But this should be doctor for since since
Yes.
birth, right? I mean.
Not birth. We never know when it
Oh,
started.
okay. It happened. It can happen.
Yeah, it can happen anytime.
Anytime can bile duct can.
Oh,
Sometimes.
yeah, I mean, I'll show you another picture also. But liver function is fine currently, okay?
Only the digestion problem, that is stool is not passing. This is the problem.
No, thing is, liver is like a major metabolic organ for our daily living, like glucose control, lipid metabolism. So for everything and bilirubin, so it's like a major factory here. So whatever we eat, the absorbed nutrients first go to liver. From there it's distributed everywhere. So without liver nobody can survive. But right now liver functions is good.
Okay.
So what, I'll just show you some pictures again. Let's see. This is liver acid. This is the liver as all organ. This is the gallbladder here, the white thing. This is the duct. This is the left side duct. This is the right duct. This is the right posterior, right anterior. There are two ducts in the right side. So this is one of the right posterior duct. This is right anterior duct. Okay. In this MRI we can't. So you can see this part is slightly narrowed.
Even Lally also said the same
Yeah,
thing.
that's what. So this part is slightly narrowed. This is the common duct. What I showed. This is the left duct, which is narrowed. Lally also says the same. So this you can see the dimension of this duct. This is bigger. You saw? This is bigger. Okay. You see the lower part of the duct. This is the lower part of the duct. Okay. This part is called the opening into the intestine. This is the duct of pancreas. This is pancreas. Pancreas will be here. This is body of pancreas. This is the duct of pancreas here. This is the tail of pancreas. This is the stomach here. Okay. And this is called the spleen here, which is fine. This is pancreas. You can see a kidney here. This is a kidney. This side. And these are the kidneys here. Alright. So they are all fine. Only intestine is one. So this is called, the disease is called, we can take it here. It's called primary sclerosing cholangitis. What exactly happening is the bile ducts are getting sclerosed, narrowed. Why it is happening, we don't know. In the sense, some people will have this. Okay. Multifactorial is called autoimmune, in the sense like our own body cells sometimes may destroy the bile ducts. Okay. So
There's
this
autoimmune.
autoimmune etiology.
This started.
This is started means this is already happening since many maybe months or years.
Okay.
Okay. So one of the way to present is like a rise in enzyme, sometime itching. So anal canal symptom is just a coincidental symptom she had and which is normal now. Okay. And another thing is like some patients with this condition, they may have a condition in the colon called ulcerative colitis. That's why I asked anybody in the family has a colitis related symptom or something, or anybody in the family had liver disease like that. And colonoscopy done recently, which is normal. There is nothing evidence of colitis. Okay. So why this PSC? What is the treatment? The treatment is already started. That's called ursodeoxycholic acid. That is the only treatment for that. It will reduce the liver cell damage. What will happen? It's like the bile has to be secreted. It has to go through the channel and go down. Okay. The pathway getting narrow at different levels. Okay, and this will give a pressure on the liver cell to push it. So in the course, the liver cell may get damaged slowly. But right now the liver function is good. So what will the UDCA medicine what we are given, it will help make it more soluble and go better. But it is not like we don't have a treatment to prevent the progression except this medicine. Like there is no other medicine which can be given, not found out anywhere in the world. Okay.
Once the narrow bile duct, we cannot open it or something. We cannot do.
Yeah, I mean, see, now there are two things. You asked one question: we are open or not like that. So this is not at one place. You saw the MRI. No, it is at multiple places. Common hepatic duct, left duct, and terminal ducts, right side, left side. So if it is too much narrowing in one area, and if it is blocking the flow, it should cause jaundice. It should cause more itching.
Jaundice, it's happened 2 times in my life, you know.
When was it?
When I was in 7 years old on that time and 14 years old.
When
14
you were
years old one was very serious. 6 months I had a jaundice, but you know.
6 months, huh?
Yeah, continuous 6 months, and because of that, the jaundice, then I have a typhoid also. Because nobody knows that I had a
So
jaundice.
that 6, now you are 30.
Now 34.
That is how many, when you were 14.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
she
am
was
14
14.
and
So
1998.
yeah.
1998.
So, I mean, that time before jaundice, you had any fever or something?
No fever, but stomach pain was started. I was not eating, so my mom and dad thought that
It's
you know.
totally yellow eyes.
Not yellowish. Means skin was yellowish, but eyes and all not yellowish.
Okay, you had itching?
No itching on that time, but stomach pain was there, and you know, I was in class 10, so my stomach.
You showed
pain,
to a doctor what he told?
No emergency when it's happened, you know. Then I went to. It's too much, you know, bad conditions. So when they take me from Tripura to Kolkata, then when I went to they take me to hospital in the Kolkata hospital. On that time they said patient dead. We cannot do anything.
So
then,
very serious.
Yeah. Then they didn't give a guarantee for 15 days because after that then they called some doctor because my father was in army. So they called some big doctors and then they checked and they said, you know, no, it's still she survived. We can try.
No, you are admitted in the hospital under
Yes,
whom? Liver specialist or medicine?
That is liver medicine doctors was visiting on that time and they said
what they told? Why?
Actually they said that you have a jaundice from last 6 months and they are doctor, they didn't find it. They said I have a I think they said gallbladder stone, something they said like this. Okay,
they did a scan?
No, they didn't scan. They scanned, but they did something, somebody else report or something. It's happened.
But you don't remember?
No, she's 20 years back.
I remember little bit. I'm telling you what happened. So what happened that on that time they said one doctor was there, Kishalaya Chakraborty something in that area. So he said I have a gallbladder stone, and he said you have to admit it in the Hare's clinic and do the operation. But I have a jaundice. He did a wrong treatment. Okay, and give some medicine, and I had a typhoid because of wrong medicine. And then serious condition, and then my father and all, they take me to Kolkata, and then we.
Kolkata where?
It's a Ramakrishna Mission hospital, that is Shishu.
And who was the doctor?
Doctor name
I
I
don't
don't
know.
know.
He was a gastroenterology doctor?
Gastroenterologist doctor.
Dr.
was
Mahesh Goenka? No.
I don't remember, but doctor was very good. 5 doctors, they treated me very well.
And what he told? Why?
He told to make a case over that because
No, leave that. What is the disease?
He said that you have a jaundice from last 6 months.
Okay, but due to why? Why infection, hepatitis B, C?
No, I don't think that time they did all this test, doctor.
Okay.
No,
I
they
don't
did
think.
MRI and all.
Did they take fluid from your abdomen that time?
No,
nothing.
No, nothing.
And you totally improved?
Yeah, then they took 15 days, means I think 25 days I was in the hospital admitted. 15 days they didn't give a guarantee that they can save the patient.
After that you were totally fine?
Yeah, after that I am totally fine.
Until 2006.
Yeah. Then 2006 they said it's not a stone. They said it's a stone, but it's not skin, something, a sequence or something like that. It's like that type of stone happening.
Usually, because it's a jaundice, we have to correlate something, but there is nothing like an acute presentation in this disease. Acute presentation like a severe jaundice. Usually, the PSC or sclerosing cholangitis, what we tell, it's like a slowly progressive disease with, but usually presentation this age, not so early age.
So, doctor, are you trying to say, if I understood correctly, that she has this bile duct issue in different places, so with the medicine it only can be this autoimmune can be slowed down, but it cannot be cured.
We are not sure of autoimmunity.
Okay,
it's not multifactorial.
Okay,
it's not just autoimmune.
Okay,
we don't know.
So there is no treatment. It is only the medicine which can slow down and give some relief for some time, right?
Yeah.
But you are saying that there is a chance of more serious disease or some damage in future.
Two things. Thing is, what's happening directly doesn't cause problem to the liver cell.
Okay.
So suppose these are liver cells. I showed you one picture.
Yeah.
So this will only damage the roads. This will only damage this roads, not the liver cell.
Correct.
Okay. So, 1 second. Hello, Sister Jinu. Yeah, tell me. Yeah. You told 3? Sure, because I told initially 102, I told to give one more midazolam. Just cross check and tell. Sure, 102. No, because I gave 102 first initially I told. After some time intra procedure she was still awake. I told give one more midazolam. Because even in my report I mentioned 103. Yeah, okay. Correct, no? Please cross check, because. Okay. So, see, the roads, the cell, roads are not just pipes. They are made up of cells like this. They are called as ductal cells.
Okay, yes.
Bile ductular cells. So these cells are getting damaged, and if you see in the histology, I'll tell you what is this. Come here. So this is a normal tracks. So they become like this.
Okay.
See, they'll have narrowing multiple levels. Okay. See, this is a normal process. The ductal cells slowly may become damaged and narrowed like this. This is because of the inflammatory cells surrounding that area. So the treatment is we already started and she has to continue. Okay. So how will we know the progression? One is like the liver function. Is there a change in the liver enzymes? Liver function will be seen by the liver function test. Bilirubin, albumin, prothrombin and all. So but right now liver function is very good. So there is no problem in that. The only thing is the strictures, what I say the narrowing. You told that is it possible to remove that block and all. See, there are two problems with the strictures. See, if it is allowing the flow and liver function is fine, no need to do anything. Suppose whatever the narrowed, we never know since how many months or years the current situation. Okay. So right now you don't need any treatment except the medicine. Okay. So will it narrow further? Will it cause anything? We don't know. Okay. Suppose what happens if it is narrowed? Like we call it as a dominant stricture. Okay. Dominant stricture means the stricture will block the flow of bile. So that time you need an ERCP and to put a stent to bypass that block. Bypass that block. Okay. So that is as a temporary measure. Okay. Another thing, what rarely the strictures can be cancerous, can turn to cancer. But right now in the MRI they told maybe suspicious of cancer and all. They told like that, but in our MRI they are not reported like that. They just mentioned the strictures. So because if it is only one area of stricture, no more strictures. They don't know maybe PSC. PSC is called primary sclerosing cholangitis. Short form is PSC. That is the disease. If no PSC, if only one stricture, they suspect malignancy in an MRI. That's why they are told. Okay. So what we will do is we'll do some tumor markers. That's one way to detect. In the sense, tumor marker is some blood test. Okay. And we'll continue the medicine and we'll keep you under follow-up. Okay. Only thing is if you develop any jaundice, any pain, fever, itching, worsening or weight loss. So we may have to evaluate more like endoscopic ultrasound, in the sense we can do a scan from inside, do an endoscope and do a scan from inside, because what we do current sonology or abdominal are from outside. The flow is from outside. Touch here and see. So there will be abdominal wall, fat and all, which will interpret, and the distance will be more compared to the bile duct. So the endoscopic ultrasound will have a probe to attach to the endoscope. So we can go inside and see from near, is there a thickening, really something or like that.
Okay.
So if there is any suspicion like that, if it is involving only the extrahepatic part of the liver, not inside liver, outside, she may need a surgery. But these are all rare things. Not to worry about all these things right now.
Okay. So right now she is
Only
she
is
is
to
continue
control the
the
medicine, and I'll just order some more blood test and I'll keep under follow.
Fine. That's really okay, nice. But tell me one thing is, I mean, is there a procedure we check the liver function with some test after?
That's what we are doing this now.
Okay. Okay.
So
But
doctor, whatever the medicine now you suggest that medicine I need to continue. This one, how long we have to continue this medicine?
Ma'am, there is no side effect of this medicine. That's you have to continue lifelong.
lifelong.
Oh my
No, no, in the sense, it doesn't have side effect. It's like you eat the rice, chapati, all that. Just like food, you eat it.
Any food she should avoid?
No,
No.
nothing like that.
Okay. Any hard food and all?
Nothing
this
like
kind of meat and all. Okay.
No.
Fine. So just asking.
So
you
this
know,
medicine is available in India also?
Everywhere.
No, everywhere. it's
Everywhere available, cheap medicine. There is no side effect. It is called normally. So see, what is that medicine is? Why that bile is coming? In the sense, we have red blood cells in the body, in the blood. Okay? The lifespan of blood cell is 120 days. So now, right now, if you take in one go, you have 120 days, 119, 120. So you have all age from 1 day to 120 day. You have a mix of all.
correct.
Okay. So whichever has finished its age has to die.
Correct.
That's a red cell, and a new cell has to be produced daily.
Right. Right.
So this destruction occurs in a part called spleen here.
Okay.
Okay, spleen is here in this part.
Okay.
So spleen is like channels made up of. So when the blood cell goes, when the blood cell get aged, it loses its body squeezing mechanism to push through that.
Okay.
So it breaks.
Mm.
So when the red cell breaks, it is a product is produced called bilirubin.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, this bilirubin is yellow in color.
Yeah. That is what just.
So this bilirubin has to come to liver. In the liver cell has to do a job called conjugation.
Okay.
Okay, so this conjugation and this conjugated bilirubin is secreted in the bile canaliculi.
Okay.
What we saw the canaliculi, no? That conjugated bilirubin secreted in the canaliculi.
Okay.
So this conjugated bilirubin through the duct has to come to our intestine.
Okay.
Okay, and part of the conjugated bilirubin in the intestine will be metabolized by the bacteria in the intestine.
Okay.
Partly it is absorbed.
Okay.
Okay, in the intestine last part is called enterohepatic circulation. Some part is absorbed. Okay, and in the absorbed, partly is secreted in the urine, and rest remaining will go in the stool. So if the bile duct totally blocked, the stool color will be clay colored rather than yellow.
Okay.
The stool is yellow because of bile.
Yes.
Okay, so even in our ancient science, they used to give a lot of importance to bile because the one is the breathing, so another is the bile, another is all these things, and gastric juice. They used to give importance to all these things even in Ayurveda and all.
Okay.
Okay.
Why Dr. Black stool is coming? Now.
Now also you're getting black.
No, now not.
Forget
not
it
in-
because your other parameters are fine.
The medicine when I'm not taking on that time.
That's fine now because you don't have any problem in the
So
colon.
this medicine does.
You don't have a problem in the intestine, the stomach as well as esophagus also. Hiatus hernia, forget it. That's not a problem.
So this medicine will actually, what it will do actually?
What will it do is this medicine will get partly dissolved inside the biliary tree and is excreted in the stool.
Okay.
Okay, and this will keep the concentration of conjugated bile salts to little less
Okay.
till whatever part it replaces that.
Okay.
The problem is the conjugated bile salts of our body. If they get stagnant in the circulation, means they are less soluble compared to the more soluble form what we give as medicine.
Yeah. With the medicine, it is more soluble. That's
Yeah,
it.
the
So lighter probably.
medicine part what we call is ursodeoxycholic acid. Cholic acid is a bile salt.
Okay.
So one of the variant of a bile salt.
Okay.
The
Which is more soluble.
Movicol is which one you have given? That one?
Movicol is to make you pass stool easily. That's it.
So see, they gave them the 3 medicines. So all 3 medicine has to be continued.
Movicol you can titrate, 1 minute. So if you read, you can read through Google what is primary sclerosing cholangitis is. Okay, but it may scare you. It may directly take you to malignancy or cancer. So don't worry.
Malignancy means, doctor, what is that?
Malignancy means cancer. So if you open Google, even if you open headache, it will say brain cancer.
Mm.
Don't get worried too much like that.
Yeah,
okay?
yeah. I just wanted to write down
What
this
you said,
name.
this one, the name, how is
Yeah, it's called primary, PRIMARY.
Oh, wait, 1 minute.
WhatsApp में type करो.
No.
Just I'll write and give it to you if you want 1 second.
Oh, the little bit,
I just called because I couldn't have explained all this in phone.
I really appreciate doctor.
Actually, I was, looking for you only long back. One of my friend, he said, Dr. Girish is a good doctor, so because of you, I'm long time. But when I came last time, you was in India, I think, on that time.
Yeah,
You had some operation or something, right? So now you're fine?
I'm fine, sir.
So you are from which part of India?
I'm from Karnataka.
Karnataka.
Yeah.
Okay, we started from Karnataka.
You studied?
Bangalore. Yeah.
Where
Air
you
Force,
studied?
Yelahanka Air Force Station.
Ah, I studied in Bangalore Medical College and then St. John Medical College.
Okay. My sister also there in Bangalore.
Because air show used to come.
Yeah. You
My
used to
friend
have
had
it
a-
Yeah,
ambulance.
yeah, sure. We also used to.
every 2 years. Even this year it
Yeah.
happened. Every 2
Because
years.
my friend used to run fleet of ambulance.
Oh.
Mhm.
So he was the ambulance guy that time. If something happens, ambulance should be there now.
Yes, we went on
Okay.
that time we were studying
Yes,
also the college.
So,
Thank you, doctor.
so but just update your medicine.
Take this one.
Yeah, yes, sir. So not to worry much.
Okay.
So now,
Mhm.
but the thing is, I told you, 2 things. One is a dominant structure. If it becomes too tight, another is a risk of malignancy. These are the 2 things to worry. Okay. So how do you know the structure is dominant? In the sense, you will start getting worsening jaundice.
Mm.
You will may get pain sometimes. You may get itching too much.
Mhm.
You may get fever. These are the symptoms.
Okay.
Okay.
Or if you feel like you're losing too much weight, in spite,
Mhm.
like now no need to diet with your whatever weight. What is the weight? They checked weight. I think.
57.
What was your baseline weight earlier?
Earlier it was 59. 59 point.
Okay, so no much weight loss.
No,
And
no.
what was your height, ma'am?
My height is 5.6.
So 167.
Yes, 167.
No need to diet for you because for your height you are okay. I mean, you up to 65 is fine.
Mhm.
Mm.
I'm eating also very less, so I'm not dieting at all.
No need to reduce weight. For us, we have to reduce weight actually.
Mhm.
You can have a normal diet.
Mhm.
So this Movicol daily you are taking 1.
Yeah, one.
If you don't take Movicol, what will happen? You will have constipation.
No, yeah, I have constipation, then stool is not
Is it
passing.
right?
Yeah, yesterday I didn't take today. I didn't went.
Mm.
So I'll refill
And
this.
stool also getting tight,
Okay, you can continue. You can titrate. Someday you can take. Sometimes you can skip and see. You take another day like that.
Yeah.
Basically, what it is like a osmotic substance with salts.
Mhm.
When you drink, you have to take a lot of water also.
Mhm.
It will keep the stool soft
Mhm.
Okay.
and you pass it. And no side effect of that also.
Okay. So the medicine you are changing or it
No,
is
same medicine.
Same medicine she has to
I
take.
just refilling for 6 months. Okay. I'll order some blood test to be done today.
Mhm.
Okay.
Already somebody ordered on 18th February.
Mhm.
So let me see who was ordering.
18th February it was I think Dr.
Usama. Dr. Hamid.
Dr. Hamid, yes.
Dr. Hamid has ordered some tests.
And we did the blood also.
No,
That
we have not
test-
done this actually. Tumor markers, MAM2, NSATD, alpha beta protein.
Because we do
But
not.
I have given the blood there. They
Yeah,
said
because we do
No,
not.
they are not taken for this actually.
Because we didn't know. So
Three times I given, but
No problem.
before MRI also they asked me to
Yeah,
do the
yeah.
blood test. I did that
So
one.
you just go there and ask them to do the blood requested by Dr. Hamid. Okay, I'll request for your next visit.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So just will mention that blood test requested by Dr. Hamid.
Hamid, yes.
Okay.
But for today, blood test requested by what?
That is on 18th of February. You
18th of February. You tell that the requested on 18th of February. Dr. Hamid Wani.
Okay.
So he has requested all to see any tumor or something like that.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just request a routine things for the next visit. Okay, and you did a tumor marker in January, which is negative actually, 10.2. That's all fine. So that is one way. If there is any tumor, it will be high. The CA19, you can check all reports through My Health Portal HMC.
But it is not showing everything.
The blood report you can check.
Ah,
All
yeah,
the blood report you can
yes.
check.
Yes, blood report you can
Only
see.
scans. The blood report you can check at least. The tumor marker is normal last time.
Okay.
So since she doesn't have symptoms, no point in just going and checking is there a cancer or not. So there is no way, because inside the liver you have to put a needle and take. And again, if you have a suspicion, high suspicion, then you have to do. Otherwise, no need to do.
Okay.
Means doctor now not required to do.
No, only in the follow-up we can see. By God's grace, if everything is like this, no need to worry.
Okay. Okay, doctor. So fine. So we'll do the blood test today. So after the blood test, we have to come again.
No need.
No need.
If any abnormal, we'll find out. You can check in the My Health portal also.
Okay, but then you will give the
Follow-up appointment, yes, but now
follow-up
very
appointment.
difficult to get. So I think I requested you an appointment. So they're given in October.
Oh,
That's fine, but if anything in between you want to come us directly, you can come and meet us, no problem. You can walk in and meet. Right now, 90% are in Corona duty. Some are left here. So somehow I am covering my friend's clinic. So after finishing my work, I am covering his clinic. So that's why, because yesterday whatever I have spoken, I have not put in the thing. I have to finish that also now.
Understand.
Thank you very much. Doctor.
So doctor, thank
Can
you.
I
very
have
much.
your number, doctor? If I something
Yeah.
I can, say that something.
Yeah, this is okay. So I can schedule an appointment.
Okay.